Here's Barry, just going to go outside and test it now. Fingers crossed. Oops. Start radio.
Welcome to HTX. Switch warning. RF signal critical.
What? Oh, screw's close. I guess. Bloody wires. Right, that should stay down there. That will stay there. Right. I've taken the rudder off this, but it should be right. Molicel P30's first test. It's going to rain here soon, so vertical is great. Pretty damn good. Pretty damn good. Let's get myself positioned over here. Vertical is outstanding.
5 minutes.
I think I nearly went through the cloud there. I'm not going to go full throttle because this is the first time I've used it. Being a bit tentative. Still holding the verticals. Can't see a lot of problem with this so far. I can't do a lot of low passes because there's loads of cables in the way. Verticals are still great. That's 3 vertical rolls. Probably can't see it, but it's just testing the power and the duration so you can hear it at least. Okay, we've been up 3 minutes now. I've set my timer for 6. I've got to land under the cables here because the wind is coming from my left. More verticals, still going straight up, no problem. Set my timer for 6 minutes. And it flies well without a rudder. Still great verticals. Straight up, no problem still. Still screaming. Oh, we've had a little cut there, so don't know. I think I've breached LVC on the blooming speed controller. So we're just bringing her in. Still not picking up. And she's down. So anyway, that looked promising, but I think it LVC'd on the speed controller and it ended the flight. So anyway, I've had this happen before. I think I need to change out the ESC. But that was promising, that looked really good. Loads of power. And the battery slid forward. I need to change that strap as well, move that bit further back. But it's awesome. It should be back here a little bit. Sort of there really. I need to put another strap on this further back. Anyway, that's the test complete. Hope you liked it. It's going to start raining now. I can feel it raining actually right now. That's time to get indoors quick. Oh my god, it's hammering. Yeah, look, the cloud's so black. Did it just in time. Good fun though. This bit isn't. So first flight, Molicel P30.